This is Amin. In this video, I am going to share you how to optimize your Google ad campaign. Before starting video, senior Google ad specialist on Fiverr and Upwork. If you want to optimize your ad campaign, I am available to work with you. So let's get start our main video. Okay. In this video, I am going to share you 12 secret to grow your business by Google Ad. If you do not grow your business by Google Ad, then you have to apply to improve get more conversion of Google Ad campaign. So I'm share the 12 secret tips to optimize your Google Ad campaign. Before starting, here you can see the conversion rate is 6.67% and I have generated 32k conversion. So from my previous experience, I'm making this video. I have a lots of experience, lots of A/B testing, lots of time working on Google Ad. Then I'm making this video. So yeah, I personally believe this video will be helpful for you. First of all, you have to research keyword and selection. It is so important. I have a one experience. I just mistake on single keyword in target, then my client always get wrong phone call and they call me why I'm getting this type of call. So when I'm checking the keyword, that was my data, the keyword was my wrong and my client was getting every time wrong phone call. So you have to ensure very properly, very carefully to keyword, and you have to research and selection, that will be very careful. So in this case, you can use tools like keyword planner, identify relevant keyword and high search volume on the competition. I'm showing you how on the ad campaign. I'm select on ad campaign to show you. Here you can see the all type of keyword. Okay. When you start your campaign, in first time, then you should not select broad mass and you should not select broad mass. You should select phase mass and exact mass. That will be so benefited to get the best result. So my suggestion, you need to select, if you start your campaign, then phase mass or exact. So keyword this is important, and you have to follow this rules. Ad optimization. Why I'm telling ad optimization? Because it is so important. You should ensure, based on the keyword, you have to write all of the headline and keyword. I'm just showing you. This is our targeted keyword. Based on keyword, you have to write attractive ad copy, and attractive ad copy ad strength will be average and the good, and also you have to select. You have to check the CTR. This ad headline is perfect, but this headline is not perfect because it's CTR 4.7%. That's why I am pause this ad. This ad. So ad optimization is so important. If you do not get the if you do not get the best CTR for your ad, then you have to optimize your ad campaign. And for optimization your ad campaign, you have to do A/B testing. You have to do A/B testing. That means continuously test different ad copy, headline, extension, what work best for you. So Google Ad not is a you have to Google Ad not is a just like is just launch a campaign and you will get revenue. That if you think that's, then you are wrong. Okay. So ad optimization is so important. So it is very important. After ad optimization, you have to select the landing page. Okay, landing page optimization is so important because your keyword targeting is okay, perfect. Your ad optimization is perfect, but landing page is not optimized. People will go your website, but your website is loading. Then every visitor will immediately left your website, and Google takes charge for click, but you will not get any conversion. So it is so important to optimize your your landing page. I'm just showing you. And your landing page should be always also desktop friendly and the mobile friendly. I'm showing you landing page performance. This landing page performance is mobile speed score 9.9. This is very good, and also mobile friendly click rate 91%. So you have to select landing page performance. So if your landing page is okay, then I think not okay, then you should to select. You have to select. Then you have to improve your quality score, because if your quality score is good, then your CTR will then your cost per click will be reduced, will be lower. But if you quality score is less, then you will if you go the keyword section, then you will found quality score. Your quality score is 10.10 is very good, very good, but 3.7 is not okay. If you don't find quality score, just go the column option or segment option. I'm just select found the quality score. Okay, just select the quality score, then you will found on your dash. Quality score 10.10 is very good, 9.10 is very good, but I think 3.7 is not good. If you don't if your quality score not good, then you will not get the first rank position, and also you will not lower CPC. So improve your quality. Then bid management. I think bid management is so important. You should not use automated bidding strategies. I think you should use target CPA, target ROIs, enhance CPC, optimize based your goal. Just I'm showing you. This is my campaign. So if you select the campaign, the settings option, you find the target CPC. Okay. So here you can see I'm using the target CPC, not using the automated. I'm not using the automated. I just select. Thus I'm going to save up. So targeted CPC CPC is so important. So bid management is so important. Then you have to select add structuring keyword. Add group structuring. Add group structuring is so important, because you have a let me example, you have a 20 keyword. You should not use one ad group. You have to make 4-5 keyword that will be most relevant, that will be best practices. From my experience, sometimes I use 3, 4, 5 keyword on one ad group, and that will help to write more relevant keyword based on the keyword. So make sure you have to oily manage ad group structure. Then you have to use negative keyword. Okay, negative keyword. Why should negative keyword? Regularly check keyword performance and regularly add negative keyword. Prevent your ads to showing the irrelevant searches. Just if you go the on the keyword section, then you can add negative keyword. Here you can the negative search keyword. Just go the option. You can also add ad group on the campaign. Then paste your keyword here and add negative keywords. It's optimize your ad campaign. A/B testing is important. Sometime you need to scheduling your ad campaign. If you have a call campaign, then you must have schedule. And geo targeting is so important, and also remarketing is important for your business. To if you do not set up on your remarketing on your website, just go to the tools option, and here you can see add website visitor, app user, YouTube user, customer list, Google Analytics. So set up your remarketing ad campaign and launch remarketing ad campaign, grow your business. So if you follow, I will share this file in description. No worry, you will get found. Keyword research, ad optimization, landing page optimization, bid management, quality score improvement, ad group structuring, negative keywords, A/B testing, campaign ad scheduling, geo targeting, and remarketing is so important. So if you work on this section, you must optimize your ad campaign. Okay, I'm going to the last part on your video. If you need Google Ads Manager and the certified Facebook Ads Manager, you can contact me. I'm working as a Google Ads specialist. I can help you to grow your business to optimize your Google ad campaign. I will share my link. I will share my contact detail in the link of the video. And if you have any questions, let me ask. I would love to hear you. Thank you so much. My name is Amin. I'm waiting for you.